What's up, guys? We're back again with another build finished up. We picked up a 2015 CRF450R from our welder and fabricator Drew. It's his personal bike, so we ended up just buying this to flip. Got this thing finished up. We converted it to a trike, and that's it right in the background right there. I want to know your guys' opinion on the color scheme. So this was something that Tim wanted to do. He's the guy doing a lot of the assembly on these. He was dead set on doing a blue and white theme. Let me know what you think. If you guys hate it on a Honda, we probably won't do it again, but some of you guys might like it. So comment below what you think. And guys, we got so many cool things coming up in the future. As the subscriber list grows, we are gonna start doing giveaways. When we get to 50,000 subscribers, we are gonna do a giveaway on a trike kit. You guys need to subscribe. You gotta comment and like these videos. I know sometimes they're boring. I do talk a lot. It is what it is. But if you guys do like what we're doing and you wanna possibly win a free trike kit, comment, like, subscribe, smash that button, share it to your buddies. We need all the subscribers we can get. I want to thank you guys for getting me up to 30,000 subscribers. That just happened over the weekend, so we're super pumped about that. But I'm gonna do a walk around. We're gonna explain what we did to this build and go from there. Here it is, guys. So this thing came together pretty fast. We actually just picked this bike up, I think 2 weeks ago. Got it in as a dirt bike. We did a full teardown. Welcome to the channel. We literally went through this thing and cleaned it top to bottom. So this bike was completely torn down to the frame. We powder coated absolutely everything. As you guys can see, it has our trike kit. If you're just checking this video out and you're new to our channel, we offer trike conversion kits for modern dirt bikes. So we're covering pretty much anything from 2000 and up on the Hondas. Guys, we have our full trike conversion kit on here. Everything from triple clamps to custom subframe, custom swing arm. This all holds the TRX450R rear end components. TRX450R seat and plastic. Every time we do a build like this, when we're something we're going to be selling, I mean, we go through these things top to bottom. Everything is brand new. Nothing was really reused from the bike other than the frame and the motor. You know, luckily this was a low use motor. It ran great. We threw some powder coat on the case covers. So this one does have a headlight. It is not electric start, it is kickstart only. So we were able to get our billet kicker on there. This allows for a shorter throw. You're not hanging your heel back, hitting the plastic. And these bikes honestly do start super easy. So even with a shorty kicker on there, it's really not any different. You know, if you're used to kick-starting bikes, it's not bad at all. These have an auto decompression release in the motor. Yeah, guys, we really tried to pull off the, I guess, blue, white, and gold theme. My wife did a good job matching the gold on there best we could. A couple different accent pieces. This anodizing is a little bit different of a shade, but I mean, it all kind of does tie it together. It's pretty close to the forks. So we ended up putting a new exhaust on this. The stock one had a couple dings in it, being a used bike. And again, it's a 2015, so it's gonna happen. So we just went ahead and replaced the slip-on there. We converted this to the single exhaust. Now we chose to go with bigger tires. So these are 20-inch tires. So you're gonna notice it does have a taller seat height. Billet rotor guard, billet sprocket guard. So this thing is pretty much set up for some trail riding. If you're going to be doing anything that requires a little bit more ground clearance, it's going to be great for that. And again, if you want to lower it back down, we can take some preload out of the spring and actually just drop the tire size in the rear. So of course, as you see in all of our builds, our folding foot pegs. There were some accent pieces that we powder coated, such as motor mounts, clutch cable mount, foot peg mounts. That was all done in the same gold as the swing arm. It's just really to try to tie all these colors together. I did something that was a little bit different on this. I went with a blue intake on this. Just something a little different than what you see. It gets old when you're doing the same colors again and again and again. Now, you guys have seen in the past, we have lifted the gas tank on the Kawasaki's. We chose to do this on this 2015. Closed up the gap decent. It's all about fit and finish and getting everything to fit the best you can. Really not a lot going on under the seat. Seat post relocator. Our intake kit looks pretty cool in the blue. Special thanks to Forworks, they're always taking care of us on the seat covers. Moves quick adjust clutch lever. This does have the mapping button and of course the kill switch. This model did have the air forks. They're not terrible. It is nice being able to adjust your air pressure on there on the fly. You just have to have the little pump to hook up to them. So if you want to change your spring rate, you can do it real quick on these air forks. I don't recommend these if you plan on shortening them though. But for this length and this style of riding, these would be great. So thumb throttle conversion, you guys have seen that in all of our builds too. So we're just taking the Honda style throttle and adapting it to the throttle body and making that work. So we took our billet hub, powder coated that blue to match the frame. We got the gold on the wheel. These were just some 8-inch rear wheels from DWT. Luckily we got these in, they've been back ordered. Threw some powder coat on that. So more or less, guys, I mean, we just tried our best to tie all the colors together. Cool, guys, so that's pretty much it. Another long video of me talking, and I feel like I am very repetitive, but you gotta understand there's a lot of guys that haven't even been on this channel yet, and they're just finding us and they're interested in our products. So I am gonna go through a lot of them in the videos and just kind of do a top to bottom of what we've done to them. But again, guys, when we get up to 50,000 subscribers, we're gonna be giving away a full trike kit. But we've got so many more builds coming. Big wheels, trikes, it's gonna be insane. We've got a few more CR500 builds coming. I'm actually gonna do a follow-up video on this guy tomorrow. Again, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share these videos to your buddies, get us up to 50K. One of you guys is gonna be a lucky winner. We're gonna get a full trike kit given away. It's gonna be awesome. So just wanna thank you guys for all the support, the phone calls. We wouldn't be here without you guys. So thank you guys.